Welcome back today, guys. Today I'm here with AmandaHair. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the package. So of course the wig is there along with a few goodies. So let's get into that first. Alright, I got this little, like, it looks like an envelope, but it's not really, but you see that in a few. I got a pair of lashes. I got a branded elastic headband, right? Great for melting your lace. And then I got this card with information and also a pair of HD wig caps. Now the card has a lot of information as it relates to cashback and social media, all that good stuff. So finally, let's go ahead and get into the wig. Now we doing something different today. This is it's a new product of theirs, and it is a like highlight brown curly wig with bangs. It's 18 inches long. This is how the inside looks. It has like a nice lace closure there, so that's what gives the scalp effect at the bang area. It has an adjustable elastic band and a total of 3 combs along with adjustable straps in the back, and I was just placing emphasis on that so you guys can see. Really nice standard cap construction. It's medium, by the way, and yeah. So the color job is definitely giving summer. Okay, it's definitely that ombre vibe. It's more of an ombre vibe. So yeah, that is, if you are a girl that like this, like, you know, big hair, big curly hair kind of look, oh my gosh, you're gonna love this wig. So I don't do this look a lot, so when I do, I get a little excited just because I don't do it a lot, you know. So let me know if you guys would try this down below in the comment section. But yeah, once I applied this, it was so easy to apply, by the way. It's glueless, so easy to apply, and plus it has all that security, so you don't have to worry about it falling off your head easily. But I was just fluffing it. As you can see, some really nice juicy curls, and it is processed, so do expect a little bit more shedding than normal. Do expect a little bit more of a coarser feeling to the hair, because especially for the parts that are more highlighted at the bottom, okay, because those are a little bit more processed. All right, just putting that out there. Can't someone ever tell you, can't someone ever want you. All right, but yes, so I'm fluffing that to get it bigger, because I know some of my girlies really do love a big curly hair look, as I said, and this is definitely one of those wigs. All right, so I was just shaping that, because and at first you saw that I cut off a bit more off the bangs because they were literally hanging down in my eyes. They were too long, so I needed to like, you know, frame my face a little bit better with that. Now I decided that I wanted to get more of like a wet or a tamed look, so I gave you guys the option of that big curly hair look. Now you can also go ahead and wet it if you wish, and this will just kind of redefine the curls, give it more of a tame vibe if you don't want the hair to look that big. And if you want to keep the hair with like a nice tamed look, you could explore using mousse or even conditioner. I'm just using water here because I don't mind the hair getting back its volume at the end of me redefining the curls. But yeah, so I'll literally right throughout this, I'm just, you know, fixing it to frame my face in the best way and stuff, especially since this isn't a look that I always do. So I want to make sure that I fix it in the best way possible to at least fit my face, you know. So yeah, I just took my time, went throughout the wig with the spray bottle with water, and it was really easy, really easy to install, really easy to finesse. It's perfect for my beginners. Again, you guys know that I cater a lot for the beginners because these wigs are really top quality, but also so very easy to install on your own. That's it, guys. That's all. Gorgeous. You know me, I'm always gonna try to put a piece of the hair behind my ear. It's just my vibe. But yeah, you don't have to do that. Like, oh my gosh, look at that body, look at that movement. Stunning. Just stunning. I absolutely love it. Love it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. As I said before, that is it for today's wig look. You know, all the specifications will be listed. The direct link will be listed. If I have any discount code, that will be down there. Shout out to AmandaHair once more, because they did their thing on this wig. It's perfect for the summertime, perfect for vacation, and pretty much any occasion that you want to wear it to. Don't be shy. Do what you want to do. It's your wig. Once you get it, you could even go ahead and give somebody with this wig if you know it's their vibe. Do whatever you want to do, but I think it's definitely a goal. Yeah, that's it for today's wig look again, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.